Hey everyone, welcome back. If mobile check deposit is not working in the CIBC app, first make sure the app has camera permission enabled in your phone settings. Go to settings, search for the app or camera and make sure you have enabled permission. Then ensure the check is properly signed and placed on a flat surface, well lit surface. Make sure the lighting is perfect and it is placed on a dark flat surface. Also, make sure to clean your camera lenses and retake the photos clearly. Make sure to clean your camera lenses with a tissue or a piece of cloth so you won't scratch your camera lenses and make the matters worse. Next, check your daily deposit limit in the app. If deposit still fails, close the app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the app, swipe it away, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it and try again later, and that's it. Subscribe for